How to use Google Authenticator. Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. In this video today, I'll guide you on how you can use Google Authenticator app. Well, to use Google Authenticator, you can download the app first, then scan a QR code and enter the verification code. You can use Google Authenticator to add two-factor authentication to websites and apps. Now, how you can use it? First things first, you can download the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Then you want to log into the website you want to use, the 2FA. Once you're logged in, you want to simply head into the website security settings and tap on Enable Two-Factor Authentication option. Then you want to scan the QR code from the Google Authenticator app that is displayed on the website. And this way you can go ahead and add the account to Google Authenticator and enter the verification code and save backup codes as well. All you got to do is open Google Authenticator app. Go ahead here, tap on Get Started and choose an account to log in on Google Authenticator. Once you're logged in, you can see it looks like there are code. You want to tap on Add a Code option. You'll get the option to scan a QR code or enter a setup key. You can simply tap on Scan a QR code and scan the QR code that is shown on the website. Tap on Enable Two-Factor options on the particular website, or you can also enter the setup key manually. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.